Have you ever really thought about how much your background affects the mood of your photo, your video, and in the effect that it has on the viewer? And have you ever picked a background and then just thought, that doesn't quite work. It doesn't fit the vibe that I'm trying to go for. Maybe it's too distracting. Maybe it doesn't convey the right emotion. Maybe it just throws off what you're trying to say in your shot. Remember that the wrong background can throw the entire message off, making your audience feel completely disconnected to what you're trying to convey. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Welcome back to Robyn's Academy. Today we're diving into the fascinating topic of how backgrounds, and in particular your background color, can impact the vibe of your overall shot. And to illustrate this, I am going to do 3 simple photo setups using iced tea. But I have used completely different backgrounds so that you can see the impact that it has on the overall image and feel. First up, we have our iced tea against a white background. If you notice that it's a clean, crisp look, the white background really makes the iced tea stand out as it creates the contrast from the subject, making it feel clean, fresh, and a modern vibe. This setup is perfect if you're looking for a minimalistic look, looking to showcase the drink's natural colours and the details within the ingredients to create an overall feeling of calmness. And the reason why this works so effectively is because the white neutralizes and is complementary to any color. This gives you an overall calmness feel, and white is always associated with things like freshness, purity, minimalistic feelings and vibes, and an overall calmness because it's not adding to the color setup, and it allows that contrast, meaning that the subject will stand out more. Perfect for things like food photography if you're looking for that fresh, calm vibe. Next up, we have our iced tea on a wooden background. The wood adds a warm, rustic feeling to the photo, and as if you're sitting in a cozy cafe or enjoying a picnic outdoors, the earthy tones of the wood complement the amber colour of the iced tea, making it look inviting and homely. The biggest thing about when it comes to using warm colours is warm colours have that homely feel. One of the biggest reasons why this particularly works with this shot is simply because you've got a harmonious of colours. Yes, you've got the browns, and the browns will obviously complement the iced tea, but at the same time, you've still got that contrast of the green. And with the brown and the green being triatic colours to each other, it gives you that sense of balance while still giving it that contrast, but also being harmonious at the same time. And of course, we all know that green has an earthy aspect to it, so it complements the browns very, very well, giving you that lovely natural feeling behind this and giving you that balance that you need for this shot. Finally, we have the iced tea with a warmer red tone background. Now, this is a warmer wood in this particular case, and we've complemented that with the richness of the strawberries that have been added to this to enable to give it a vibrant and energetic atmosphere. The warmer hues invoke that feeling of warmth but excitement, making the drink appear more exciting and lively. Research shows that red is particularly eye-catching and actually triggers appetite, and therefore it gives you that festive, celebratory context, making the drink appear more appealing. As you can see, the background significantly influences the mood and vibe of the photo. Whether you're aiming for a clean, rustic, or more vibrant look, choosing the right background can really make a difference. So the next time you're setting up a shot, consider how the background enhances your subject and tells your story. This is true of whether you're setting up a shot in the studio or whether you're out and about. Simply changing your angle can change the background behind it. If you're looking for that clearer approach, again, don't forget about using your camera settings in terms of your aperture to get that blurry background if you want to separate it. Having the difference between a background being in focus and not in focus can also affect the overall vibe of it. And that is something you'll need to consider the next time you do a shot. Now, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. And if you want to dive deeper into how you can use colour theory to enhance your photos, please check out this video on how to use colour theory in your photography. And until next time, happy clipping.